Welcome to Mike's Man Cave and welcome to another unboxing video. Now, we're in 2020 now, August 2020. And I'm going to be unboxing a Hero 5 Black GoPro. Now, this camera's got 12 megapixel. It's still got 4K at 30 frames per second. And you can take this underwater for up to 10 meters without a case or anything on it. Now these were quite expensive back in the day. You can see the box is a little bit damaged. You can see it is still sealed. This has never been taken out of the box. These were released in 2016 in Australia. I picked this one up on Facebook Buy, Swap and Sell for $50, which is an absolute bargain considering these things were, I think they were $399 or maybe even more than that, maybe $499 brand new when they were released. And like I said, it still has 4K at 30 frames per second. And look, I saw it on Buy, Swap and Sell, and for the price I couldn't leave it there. You can always use an extra GoPro when you're running a YouTube channel or two. You can never have enough GoPros. And I really do like the Hero 5, 6 and 7 series of GoPros. And here's another one which will come in quite handy. So this is just a quick unboxing of a nearly 5-year-old GoPro. Let's do it. Like I said, it's still sealed. Let's open it up. There you go. Nothing else in there. Here it is. Get rid of that. GoPro Hero 5. Still got the stick on the back. That's the mounting hardware there. That's how it comes off. I'm sure you've all seen that before. Not sure if the battery's installed. I wouldn't imagine so. Let's have a look what's in here. Got some GoPro stickers. You break it, we'll replace it. Safety instructions in various languages. Okay, there's the battery. I'm sure we're going to have to charge that up. A couple of stick-on mounts, one curved one, one flat one, and a charging cable. Okay, there we go. That's it. GoPro Hero 5 unboxed in 2020. Brand new and shiny. Untouched by human hands until today. There you go. Now, if you want to check out my other GoPro videos or GoPro accessories videos, I will link them down below in the description box. If you enjoyed this quick little video, do me a favour, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the GoPro, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.